Hi guys, welcome back. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to join me today. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy you decided to join. It truly means the most to see you guys come to my page, so thank you for that. And with that, let's get right into the video. We are going to look through a few items that I have that we're going to use for the party for my son's first birthday party. So it's super special and I need to make sure it's special for him. I love doing this and showing you guys what I love to do and get to experience a little bit of my life. Right now, I'm going to open this video. I'm going to open this, if I can. And it's actually a toy for Asher, but I'm going to use it as decor too, so it's going to double. I always love if I can use things, either decor that I can use repeatedly or things that can be versatile into maybe decor or useful in other ways. Mostly, so here it is. I'm a little worried about this because it looks a little pink and I definitely don't want pink. So I might have to paint this one. Asher. Very cute. Very cute. I'll probably want to take the wheels off when I paint it. So this is supposed to look like the smoke. So I'm hoping this is super easy. This is how it's turning out, but I'm gonna make them lighter. I think I want to make them a bit more like this color. So since my baby's birthday is coming up, I am going to do some scrapbooking. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and now I am going to actually do it. Something super cute. This cute little quack jacket for Asher. Isn't that the cutest, funniest thing? It's super soft. Super nice. I love it personally. gonna take this very slow. Oh. Really what we're gonna do. So we have these here, and like I said, it's a the theme is One Big Adventure, and I really like how the details on this, like it has this, got this from Etsy. I'm gonna use clear string to hang it, and I have that here. We have his name. This turned out super cute, if I do say so myself. I'm like a Pinterest fanatic, and guys, this, oh my god, I'm so excited. It's great to have a baby because I get to do all the fun things like this. Okay, so this is like actually so cute. I could hang that up in his bedroom. I'm gonna use this for the party, and I've had this basket. Probably add a blue ribbon onto it, some fresh flowers in it. I have these really cute these things that we did for a different like it wasn't a party, but it was just a little decoration moment for my man, and I'm bringing these because I'm thinking if there's like a tree out there, I can like hang these from the tree and have it be a cute little moment off to the side. But if there's not a tree, maybe there's somewhere I can hang it. Well, we don't have a cabana or anything, so we're not going to be able to hang them up if there's not a tree. I have clips, but for this party I'm not doing balloons because they don't allow balloons. So that's kind of why I'm doing the hot air balloons. Stuff is for the tablescape as well. Small plates, which these are plastic ones. I like to go with the plastic ones for birthday parties because like you can get ones that go with the theme and you don't have to worry about like breaking, and you know, kids, it's a kids party, so like save money. I know it's not reusable, but most of this stuff is gonna be reusable in like decorations that I can put in his room. One thing I thought about with this though is I bought this before I put the little chick on the welcome sign. It's not going exactly with the theme that I wanted it, because it's a goose and it's not a chicken. Disposable cups that have the plaid, and there's like a tan color and then the green and blue, so that matches perfectly.
If you've worried that you don't know what you're doing and that you aren't a good mom, chances are you're not. You're a great one.
An air balloon had like the anchor on it, which I know that's like, gotta be very careful not to bend this. This kind of goes like duck theme, and like that air balloon had like the anchor on it, which I know that's like to weigh the balloon down so it doesn't even correlate, but it's still cute. It's one big adventure. Like if you're on a boat, you're on a big adventure. If you're on a train. Hi guys, we are going to make some floral arrangements for the party. I have this here, and I was thinking I could keep it in the pot so we don't have to waste it, and we can either regift it because Mother's Day is coming up, or just keep it for ourselves. I'm thinking about giving it to my man's mom for Mother's Day after the party, because I think she would like this. So I'm letting you know that we're gonna start setting up baby boy's birthday party, and it's a hot day, but it's beautiful, so we're very thankful for the weather.
Yes, we are.
We are excited. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. It's kind of, oh look, he put that right there. Oh my god, I forgot there was a huge turd. There's a big old poopy here. And then we have some hats. This is one table. The backdrop turned out okay. I was thinking about adding a string because I want to make sure it looks like his name. But I think that's, oh shoot, I just messed that up. Okay, this is good enough. Asher. And then we have a cute little table scape over here. Tables. Okay, I guess that's good. Stay. They're kind of blowing away. And we have a dessert table over here right in the sun. Perfect spot for it. Hopefully it moves down and some shade catches. Dessert's waiting here. Handsome man here. Okay, there, that's it guys. That's pretty much all we did. Someone asked me, guys, someone asked if we were having a wedding. Like, no, this is just a first birthday party. You can see the little details. And then we have some of these hanging up as well. So that's pretty much it. And I don't know if oh yeah, I did show you guys this. And there's that. And my beautiful orchids. Okay, that's it. Oh my god, that looks so bad with the stuff underneath it.
I think I'll be 10. How old are you now? I am 5 feet.